Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Salt Morning Star. This unique weapon is incredibly effective against certain creatures, making your adventures much easier. We'll cover everything from gathering the necessary components to the final crafting process. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add this valuable item to your arsenal. Let's dive right in and get started on your crafting journey. To begin, you'll need to gather a few key components. First, secure a sturdy wooden handle, which can often be found by felling larger trees or from specific vendors. Next, you'll need 5 units of pure rock salt. These are typically mined from salt flats or crystalline caves. Finally, acquire 2 strong leather straps, usually crafted from animal hides or purchased from a general store. Ensure all these items are in your inventory before proceeding. With your materials in hand, head to any standard crafting bench or forge. Access the crafting menu and locate the Salt Morning Star recipe. Place the sturdy wooden handle into the primary slot, then add the 5 units of pure rock salt. Finally, use the 2 strong leather straps to bind everything together securely. Once assembled, confirm the crafting action, and your new weapon will be ready for use. Now that you have your Salt Morning Star, it's time to put it to good use. This weapon excels against creatures vulnerable to salt, such as many slimy monsters and certain spectral entities, dealing significant bonus damage. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Its unique properties make it an invaluable tool for specific encounters, so choose your battles wisely and dominate your foes with this powerful, specialized weapon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.